it, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of prompt engineering course. In this lesson, we're going to talk about fill in the blank prompting. So before we start the video, let me just demonstrate this lab for you guys real quickly. We'll be using prompts to get output from ChatGPT in the form of fill in the blanks. And second of all, we'll be applying prompt engineering techniques to improve our output. So if you understand this, what is basically fill in the blank prompting? Obviously, it will be a very new thing for most of you guys. So don't worry, I'll explain to you. This format basically allows the user to focus on specific aspect of a sentence or idea that encourages deeper thinking. And also additionally, it is a very flexible tool for learning and communication that can easily be adapted to different situations. So yeah, to answer all of you guys' question, let me tell you guys, because of this format that the ChatGPT is going to output its content, so obviously it will contain a suitable formula, and because of that formula, you're going to be experting and creating prompts that generate the most concise and resourceful responses. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to let ChatGPT do all the work for you. It's going to give you a good output with all the fill in the blanks format, and you can just, fill in those blanks according to your needs and according to your requirements. So yeah, that will be actually very helpful for you. You would not have to do a lot of effort, a lot of work. ChatGPT AI will do the work for you because of that common prompt we will be giving to it. So yeah, if we move forward, we do have a proper formula for ChatGPT in order to get that suitable fill in the blank format. You're going to say you're an expert at creating prompts that generate the most concise and responsible responses. So what additional bullets can I add to following prompt to improve the output? So basically, this is one of the technique you're going to use that we'll be discussing later as well. So first of all, you're going to be writing this statement to ChatGPT, and then you're going to write it, my prompt is, and you'll insert your prompt, any prompt of your choice that you want ChatGPT to work on. And then after, it's going to give you the whole output. You're going to say again, now turn these bullet points into a fill in the blank format, where I can easily put my information, where I can easily, insert my information into. So then it will give you a very good proper fill in the blank format that will be very easy for all of you guys to put your information in. So yeah, these are basically the example they will be doing today. So let's just not waste any time and let's just dive right into the ChatGPT and proceed our lab. Okay, so following our formula, first of all, we'll type in the first part of our formula and we'll write in the example that I told you guys earlier. I will ask him that I have $100,000 in savings. What should I invest in? So let's just see what it says to us. So yeah, as you guys can see, we have a very in-depth bullet point list of basically around 10 things, but we're not going to waste any time. We're just going to jump right into our next part of the formula, which was now turn these bullet points into a fill in the blank format where I can easily output information into. So let's just see what it'll do for us right now. Alright, so now you guys can see right here, it has given me all the advices or information you can say into a very nice fill in the blank. It's actually asking me right now, so what are your investment goals? What are the time horizon that is available for you? And what are your risk tolerance, diversification, your experience and limitation, everything, It's just asking us the best possibilities that we have, that will be suitable enough for the investment, or you can say startup that should be best for us. So here what I can do is I can just copy all those information and I can paste right here into my command prompt again, and I can simply fill in the blank, right? Actually, there is no forcing you right here. You can fill in the blanks if you know the answer for that, and if you're not clear with anything, you can simply leave that, and the rest of that, the AI will do the job for you. It will assign you, or it will suggest you a business or startup that is suitable for you. So let's just go for time horizon, investment goals. You can just simply say my investment goals are starting my business. And for the time horizon, you can say I plan to invest for, let's just do a short term here, okay? And you can say my risk tolerance is, let's just say I am very tolerant to, you can say high risk, okay? Let's just go for a high here. And for diversification, you can say, let's just go for asset in diversification, okay? Oops, sorry. We're going to put it right here. Okay. And for knowledge and experience, let's just say how much knowledge and experience I have. Normal experience. And the next thing is asking geographic limitations. That is actually a point I'm not sure about. So let's just, let's just exemplify it like that to just leave this one for now, okay? Let's just see if it will be still giving us the advice or suitable output or not. And let's just go for this one. And the last thing we're going to say him to do is suggest me a suitable output for the given information. Let's just hit enter and see what is gonna tell us or suggest us. Okay, so based on the information provided, the AI suggested us some investment strategy. So the advice it gave us to, to go for the investment, all right? So it said, since your goal is to start a business, it's important to allocate a portion of your savings towards that venture and consider researching and evaluating potential business opportunities that align with your interests and expertise. So time horizon for that is set, as you mentioned, a short-term investment horizon. So it knows what kind of input we put into the prompt, and it's actually advising us or giving us the information according to that. So that is actually a very important point you need to note down. And it said it is advisable to focus on relatively liquid and low risk options. This can help ensure that your funds are readily available when you need them for your business. So as we move forward to the risk tolerance, with the high risk tolerance, just also remember that we had a high risk tolerance. You may consider exploring investment avenues that offer potentially higher returns but come with the increased volatility. So yeah, by that you guys saw that we changed the bullet point into a fill in the blank format because of the reason we could easily put our information that is related to us and that is according to us, and by that the AI could give us a better output, or you can say a better solution or a better advice. So this is actually a very good use, or you can say a benefit of fill in the blank prompting, because obviously before it was in a bullets form, so we cannot put any information that is for us or that is related to us into the bullet points, of course. So yeah, for that, we changed that into fill in the blank prompt and we put in the information. And now look how easy it is. It's giving us all the information and all the advices. Yeah, so that was basically it for our today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like that. And I'll catch you guys in the next video prompting.